sound. C for cat, stalking in the night. D for dog, loyal and bright. E for elephant, majestic and grand. F for fox, roaming across the land. G for gorilla, swinging in the trees. H for horse, galloping with ease. I for ibis, with a graceful flight. J for jaguar, stealthy and light. K for kangaroo, hopping with glee. L for lion, the king of the spree. M for monkey, playful and free. N for nightingale, singing with glee. O for ostrich, running so fast. P for parrot, colors that last. Q for quail, hidden in the brush. R for rabbit, in a playful rush. S for squirrel, up in the trees. T for tiger, with powerful pleas. U for uriel, on mountain peaks high. V for vulture, soaring the sky. W for warthog, with tusks on display. X for Xerus, scurrying by your side. Y for yak, grazing all day. Z for zebra, in stripes so fine. Nature's alphabet, a word divine.